welcome back to our channel. And if you're wondering what are we doing today, we have some paint markers and white squishies, and we're gonna be telling you where we bought them and what it is.
So we got them from Amazon. They're aerobic oil-based paint pens. I don't know if you can see that. And we really like them. They do stain clothes, so the girls are wearing paint shirts. And they do get on their hands, but
Ariel.
you have Ariel, yes. And they wash off your hands, but it takes a few washings. So, but otherwise, they're really, really good.
So we're gonna be doing our first squishy, and we're gonna see you guys when it's done. But before we leave, we're gonna be showing you what the first squishy we're gonna do. I'm gonna do this. It's like a lollipop. I really like it, and my sister's gonna do which one first? Show it.
You don't want to show it? Do you want Kealey to show it?
No.
No? Okay, so Miley's not going to show us. It's going to be a surprise which one she's doing. So that's our dog Jinxie behind Kealey there. It's a
so
Chihuahua.
we're going to see you guys when we're done. So bye. See you soon. So yeah, we're back and we're half to our first squishy and we're almost done. And I'm telling you, if you're like, it's COVID and everything, you have nothing to do, I say maybe you could buy these because I feel like they're really fun to do when there's COVID, you can't see your friends, and yeah, that's it. So I'm almost done my lollipop, we're half done. And Miley's doing her little squishy and she's almost done.
Oh,
but
she wants to keep it a surprise.
So when she's going to be done, she's going to show.
And we bought these on Amazon. There's different ones, different people who sell them, so they're not very expensive. They're a pretty good price.
Yeah, and I think I'm going to do 2 layers because I don't feel like it's like, because I want it to be like really nice. And the colors I'm doing is pink, purple, and like a brown kind of chef color. Because the brown kind of chef color is for like when you hold the popsicle, and the pink is like half of it, and the purple is the other half. Like, I mean the quarter of it, I feel like. And I'm almost done. The first layer of the 2 sides. So she's trying to tell us that there's like stickers, faces, like that she's gonna put on hers because she's done, but it's a surprise. Oh, she's showing you guys.
It's all red. That's beautiful. What kind of face are you gonna put on it? A watermelon face. Do you need help? Oh, our dogs are barking.
So sorry.
I finished mine.
She's finished hers.
Here it is.
But before she's gonna talk, I'm just gonna say that sorry that our dogs are barking. It's just because our brother got home from school.
That's good, Miley. It's very beautiful.
And I'm done too, actually, guys.
Oh, you too? You got a popsicle?
I really like
Are you putting a face on it?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to find a face here.
Now I'm gonna do my big one.
What is your big one, Miley?
My big one is like Kealey's, because I wanted to do it this time. Like
Last time Kealey got a cow, yeah, we did this before. And now you get to do the cow.
Yeah, I'm gonna color it now. Let me just put it right there so I can pick the color. Let me put this color on the hair.
What color is that? Like cream?
Like for the hair, but it's like Kealey's color.
So let's see Kealey's after she puts the face on.
Can you please help me?
Thank you.
Okay, so it's so cute.
Let's see. Oh, it's cute. That's really cute, Kealey.
I love it so much. So I'm gonna leave this on the side, and it's already dry. I really like it. And the second one, I have a lot to pick of. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do this donut.
Oh, that's cool. A donut. You're gonna put sprinkles on it?
Cow.
A sprinkly donut.
Ah, I thought it was like real sprinkles. I was like, what?
No, not real sprinkles.
How can you go on? We have some juicy colors to pick up. Juicy colors. But I don't know which one to paint. Pick. I usually have chocolate donut, but I don't feel like doing a
Keely,
chocolate.
I think you should do it gold.
I think I'm gonna do pink.
Pink is nice. Two different color pink.
This will be the sprinkle colors. This light pink.
That's our other dog. The brown dog is Hot Dog. Jinxie and Hot Dog.
Jinxie and hot dog. It broke.
Still should work. It'll wash off.
I'm done the hair, and now I'm just gonna like color the eyes and.
I love this color. It's so pretty.
Hi.
She's gonna show her cow now.
Now I'm gonna show my cow. I'm done, and here it is.
What's that on its tummy, Miley?
It's a heart.
Can you show the heart?
Yeah.
Can you move it that way a little bit? There we go. She did a heart on it. It's very beautiful. Can you show how squishy it is?
Let me stretch it. What?
Very squishy.
And now let me show you the ones I did. I did this one. I lit it white and it has two faces. Second one I did is this one. It's a donut. Oh, other side. This one.
With sprinkles.
And the other one I did is this teeth one.
Yeah, it's a tooth with a happy face.
I don't know if I showed you guys this one, but this is my lollipop. And you know, we have a lot more to do, but we're gonna continue doing these. And yeah, so and like yeah. We're gonna continue doing art stuff and everything. So in the other videos. So before you this video ends, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notification, and give us a big thumbs up. Bye. See you in the next video.
Say bye, Miley.
Bye.